To download Steam on a Windows PC or laptop, start by opening a browser and navigating to the official Steam website. From there, click on Install Steam at the top right. Then select it again to begin the download process. Save the Steam installation file to your computer and open it once it's finished downloading. The installation process will begin, and you'll be guided through a series of steps, including selecting your language and choosing to install. Once the installation is complete, select Finish and Steam will launch on your computer. The app will update, and you'll need to either create a new account or log into an existing one. If you have Steam Guard set up, you'll need to enter the code sent to your email and select Next to proceed. After logging in, you'll be able to download, install, and play games available on Steam.